Hello, good morning, students. Once again, I have brought the remain portion of the lesson, the sound of music, and in what way it completed its journey. As previously, we all learnt the biography of little girl Evelyn and her sensation, her curiosity, her determination and devotion to eradicate the disability what came in her life. My dear, in the second part of the story, we have a very great story of a legend musician named Bismillah Khan. The name is known to all and I think has become the integral part of our life as Sahnai is played on the auspicious occasion of wedding and other ceremonies. My dear, previously I brought 3 points for your kind understanding. It was music, musical instrument, and the legend musicians. And we know India is very rich in it. Our nation has a long list of great musicians. But today we shall discuss, we shall learn more about the known name, a great signature in the history of musicians, Bismillah Khan. My dear, he was born on 21st March 1921 and after that popularity came in his life gradually. His first name was Kamruddin Khan, but you will surprised to know in what way he got his next name, which became very popular in India and abroad. As soon as his grandfather saw him, he said, Bismillah. And after that, the word became the part and parcel of his life. And since then, he was known as Bismillah Khan. The place is concerned to our state Bihar, Dumrao, very famous state. But matter is not that. Being concerned to other community, he had a great love for the heritage culture of this nation. He was apart from caste and creeds. He had a very deep sense of understanding about humanity. India was in the core of his heart. Indian culture was the path of his life. And in his childhood, as he was belonged to a very famous musician's family, and the music was in his instinct. Whosoever were the members of his family, they all were very famous. They were known for their music, for their melody, for the nice tone, what they used to play with the Sahnai. Now we shall also learn in what way Shahnai became very popular. It was Ustad Bismillah Khan who brought Shahnai on the stage of classical music. Earlier we discussed about music, its listening, its sensation, and today the super class of its sensation is called classical music. Actually, such music is concerned to our heart and soul. The sound of Shahnai began to be considered at different auspicious occasions like marriage and others also. We cannot deny playing Shahnai adds additional beauty in the function. It brings a certain pleasure. You may tell it a very divine pleasure that makes the listeners very happy. And for this reason, it is still played in our society at different occasions. And today we have to discuss Bismillah Khan. Actually, as I told you, music was in Bismillah Khan instinct, in his blood. He had nothing to learn more and more from outside. He learned everything by the support of his family members. And after that, he became very popular. Let us proceed ahead towards the achievement what he got in his life. In his life, he has started his career from All India Radio, and the opportunity given to him made him famous. Now he had all sorts of opportunity to be called great. Not only this, he did not stop his journey, and little achievement could not stop his path of learning and of becoming famous. My dear, there are so many awards in his name. As here in India, our nation offered him a lot of national award like Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. My dear, these are the glimpse of his achievement. You will surprise to know that he was rewarded with the greatest award of our nation, Bharat Ratna, in 2001. As you know, this award is not meant for a very simple person. It is rewarded, it is offered only to those have sacrificed their lives for the service of nation, and Bismillah Khan was also one of them. And my dear, I think I cannot finish the whole achievement of Bismillah Khan in a very short period of expression. For this, I would like to be excused because in my next video we shall learn more and more and will highlight in what way we should become and follow the path of that very great musicians. Thank you, my dear.